Hello everyone, we will solve the problem asked in IIT JEE 2006 based on the limits. And as per this problem, for x greater than 0 we have to find limit x approaches to 0 sin x to the whole power 1 by x plus 1 by x to the whole power sin x. Means this particular problem is based on the concept finding on the limit based on the concept fx to the power gx form. Okay, so you must remember whenever the limits based on the concept fx to the power gx is given, in that particular case we have to use the properties of logarithm. Okay, we have to take the log both sides. After that, you need to remember here, in the such types of problems we will always use the LH rule after taking log. Okay, so here you must know why here x greater than 0 is given, because such type of functions fx to the power gx, after taking log, we can say after taking log there will be 1 by x log sin x. Okay, so log sin x must be positive because this is the input of log. Okay, so that's why here x greater than 0 is given, means this limit is valid for x greater than 0, or we can say this is valid for x approaches to 0 plus, because at x approaches to 0 minus log of any function that is negative is not defined. That's why we are finding the limit here for x approaches to 0 plus, or we can say for x greater than 0. And you can see here four options are given. First option is 0, second option is -1, third option is 1, and fourth option is D. So let's solve this problem. Okay, now here you can see, for finding the solution of this particular problem, we can see here. Let's solve the problem. Okay, it is given that simply limit x approaches to, we can see for x greater than 0, limit x approaches to 0 is equals to x approaches to 0 plus, it is given that sin x to the whole power 1 by x plus 1 by x to the whole power sin x. Okay, so this particular problem is equals to, we can say here, this particular problem is equals to, we can separate here, this is equals to limit x approaches to 0 plus sin x to the whole power 1 by x plus limit x approaches to 0 plus 1 by x to the whole power sin x. Okay, so here need to remember what is the form is making here. After applying the limit here, you can say when x approaches to 0 plus, then we can see this is the 0 to the power infinity form. And here we can say when limit x approaches to 0 plus, then we can say this form is, that is infinity to the power 0 form. Okay, so this is the indeterminate form, this is indeterminate form here, this is not the indeterminate form. You must remember here, you must remember that 0 to the power 0 plus to the power infinity is not indeterminate form, and here simply we can say 0 plus to the power infinity will always give the value that is equals to 0. Similarly here, so here you can say this form is 0 to the power infinity form, this form is 0 to the power infinity form at x approaches to 0, and this second one is infinity to the power 0 form. So need to remember infinity to the power 0 form is always indeterminate form. Okay, so here simply we can say infinity to the power 0 form is always indeterminate form. Here the value of first one will be 0 directly, we can say this is the 0 plus to the power infinity will directly give the answer 0. So this seems the question quite difficult, but one of the part is automatically without solving converting in the 0. Here the question is given based on the form fx to the power gx in the form of addition of two different functions, but the beauty of this particular question is here sin x to the power 1 by x will automatically convert in the 0 at x approaches to 0 plus, because we can see here at x approaches to 0 plus, this is giving us the form 0 to the power infinity or 0 plus to the power infinity, and we can say 0 plus to the power infinity will approach towards 0, so that will be equals to the 0 at x approaches to 0 plus. Similarly this second one at x approaches to 0 plus, we can say here this second one is giving the form infinity to the power 0, and infinity to the power 0 is always indeterminate form. So second one is here only in the single part, that is we have to neglect this part because this is converting in the 0, and this second one we have to solve only this part here, that is x approaches to 0 plus 1 by x to the power sine x. Okay, so you can see, okay, that is here simply infinity to the power 0 form, that is infinity to the power 0 form, that is infinity to the power 0 form is indeterminate form here, this is indeterminate form here. Okay, this is indeterminate form here. So the question this question is at x approaches to 0 plus, this question is equals to at x approaches to 0 plus, here limit x approaches to 0 plus, we have to solve simply 1 by x to the power sine x. Okay, so let this is equals to y, we can take here that let this is equals to y. So y will be equals to, here need to remember y is equals to limit x approaches to 0 plus, that is you must remember this is e to the power sine x ln 1 by x, e to the power sine x, this will be equals to ln 1 by x. Okay, so we can say any function, need to remember here, you must remember here, that is fx to the power gx is always equals to, this will be much better here, need to remember, you must remember here fx to the power gx, you can write fx to the power gx will be equals to a log that is base a is here, a log a fx to the power gx, and this will be equals to, need to remember this will be equals to whatever is the base, that is this will be convert in the base is here, we have taken the base is here, that is fx to the power gx, and this will be equals to a gx is gx will be in the multiplication of log fx base to the a. Need to remember this property here, so that's why need to remember here fx to the power gx, need to remember fx to the power gx is always equals to like e to the power log e to the, that is base is e, fx to the power gx, and we can convert this one in e to the power gx log fx to the base e. Okay, so here we are using this one this for solving this particular problem here. So we have converted, let's move at our limit, that is y equals to limit x approaches to 0 plus, we have taken let this function is equals to y. Okay, that is not given in the question, we have taken y from our side. Okay, so here you can see that question is limit x approaches to 0 plus 1 by converted 1 by x to the power sine x is directly, or we can take directly log, this is equals to e to the power log, or we can say here this is directly equals to e to the power log 1 by x to the whole power sine x, and this will be equals to e to the power sine x log 1 by x to the base c. Okay, so this will be equals to, you can see here this 1 by log of 1 by x can be written log x to the power minus 1, so this is equals to e to the power minus of log x, and sin x will be converted in the cosec x. Okay, so let's move x to the whole power sin x. So here limit x to the power x to the 0 plus limit x to the x approaches to 0 plus e to the power sin x log 1 by x. Okay, and this will be equals to limit x approaches to 0 plus, simply this is equals to e to the whole power minus of log x upon cosec x. Okay, now need to remember in such type of problems we always use the LH rule. Okay, so we always use the LH rule. Why we are using here LH rule? Because at x approaches to 0 plus, this log will approach towards infinity. Similarly, this cosec will also approach towards infinity. So in the power, you can see in the power here infinity by infinity form is making. Okay, so we'll solve here, that is here you can see, we can see here this infinity, this is the infinity by infinity form, and for solving infinity by infinity form, or we can say, or solving for 0 by 0 forms, we can use the LH rule. So we have, for solving this power, we will use the LH rule here. So that is equals to limit x approaches to 0 plus e to the power, and after using LH rule, we'll use the LH rule. So this will convert in minus of 1 by x, and the derivative of cosec x is minus cosec x into cot x. So you can see this problem is converted in, this is equals to limit x approaches to 0 plus limit x approaches to 0 plus e to the whole power, minus to minus will be cancelled out here, that is cot x will be converted in the tan x. So this is tan x upon x into cosec x will convert in the sin x. So tan x upon x will be equals to 1, and you can see here limit x approaches to 0 plus limit x approaches to 0 plus e to the whole power tan x upon x into sin x. Okay, so this is equals to e to the, after applying limit here, we will get e to the power 0, and that will be equals to the 1. So answer is, so here e to the power 0 is equals to 1. So correct option is, and correct answer is option containing the 1. So hope all of you got this particular problem. Thank you all of you.